process. No, they're not.
Smack Boy's reaction. Back at it with another reaction. We got.
It's your boy. Nah, it's Rock TV.
Feel what I'm saying?
You got Jazz.
You feel what I'm saying?
YouTube
and
channel coming soon by the help of your guy here, you feel me?
We got some wild shit. So get your chips, your sodas, your spliffy, cause handcuffed woman
spray. No, we're not doing advertising.
Shoots at officer who tried to help with her dogs. Yeah, this sounds crazy. We got a warning on it, so YouTube might, I don't even want to say it because then they gonna do it. They be listening, bro.
You just gotta.
They like the government. They always.
Sorry that. So, you have your keys out of your ignition for me?
I don't know.
Okay, perfect. So, do you know that you have a warrant out of Texas?
No, sir.
Okay. So, will you open the door for me? Okay. So I'm gonna need you to step out of the vehicle. Do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir.
Okay.
My dogs are at home.
Okay, that's something we'll deal with later, okay? You gonna step out for me? Alright, so you're gonna walk back right here. Face your vehicle for me. Place your hands on top of your head for me. Want to interlace your fingers so you don't have anything that's gonna poke me, hurt me, or stick me? Okay. Did you move here recently?
Yeah.
Okay. Put your hands behind your back for me.
Got a license and everything.
Did she do it prior?
It's that help on her dog. She even got dogs.
I have one detained.
How you get shot at, man?
There we go. I'm going to step out.
Oh, he brought her home.
Which,
The one, sorry, I don't want my neighbors. The one with the stairs going like vertically.
See, doing too much. Trying to be nice, nigga. See? When officers be trying to get you that passion. Y'all niggas know when y'all get locked up. You feel what I'm saying? Girlfriend call boys on you, whatever type of shit. And y'all asking the boys, yo, can I get my last, yo, can I smoke this cigarette before you take me in? You feel what I'm saying? And then you got some that'd be, you be handcuffed and they put it in your mouth and light it up for you and all that. Let you smoke your last cigarette. You got some that's like, nah, you feel what I'm saying? They don't give a fuck about you.
Assholes, dickheads.
Like, this a cop that, like, obviously he helped. He could have, boom, pulled her over, lock you up, call the tow truck. You feel what I'm saying? They gonna come take your car, you go to jail. It's just that simple.
They would be nice guys.
It's crazy.
Like the first one?
yeah, that one right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're just going to... Do you have keys or do you...
I can go into the garage.
Okay.
She went from a one-nighter incident to...
Yeah, nice to you. They not even supposed to be this nice.
In the garage?
Just push it up forward.
Are they in the garage?
No, they're on the house.
Down here?
She like, yeah, nigga, soon you get me in this chair, I'm gonna pop
she
your
already
dumb
know
ass.
where her joint is,
Pop
right?
your dumb ass. Soon I get in here, you dumb ass motherfucker.
But how did she get her hands out the handcuffs?
I don't know what her mind. No, she was handcuffed, so she probably was like, nigga, and popped his ass, nigga. Like, oh, take that.
She looked like she was moving out.
Are they friendly enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are you gonna?
Fuck them dogs. All they gonna do is shit. All you gonna do is bite up your couch.
See.
Should I close the garage
You
or?
get your first phone call.
That's puppy.
Hello.
Yeah, cause now the dog already like, what y'all doing to my room? That nigga's hand was light, y'all big ass niggas. Why her hands behind her back? He looking like in these hits.
Right, she was like, is they friendly?
Nah.
He was like, if they are they friendly?
Cat. Stop the cat.
He said, are they
Hold
friendly?
on.
She said yes.
I know what's going on.
As soon as they got to the door, the distraction.
She thinking, these niggas get me home. And I'm about the dog. These niggas gonna eat him up. Cause look, he already growling. It's a pit, nigga. He already looking like, well, y'all niggas, y'all mad big, flashlights and shit. Come on, bro. I never smelt you over here before. They already.
She probably
know
thinking
time
like,
is.
oh, let me tell him about the dog so he take the
They
handcuffs
good
off
dogs
of me.
because he not biting yet because he nervous. He's still like he trying to figure it out. Like nigga, who are you, nigga? I don't know who the fuck you are.
Okay. Alright.
The other nigga not
Call him
playing.
in. Call him in.
He not
Call him
playing. Look, she slipped
Yeah,
off.
she's hoping.
Call him in.
She's kind of hoping they take the handcuffs off of her though, so like she can get her dogs in control completely. Like, you gotta take the handcuffs off so I can.
Yo. Okay, you come back out here real quick.
Right, she tried to sneak her
Back out
way
here
in the
for
crib. I peeped that. Like, what are you doing?
Good dog.
Oh, hey.
Okay, Bubba.
Yeah, cause he like, what's up with you, shorty?
Like, yeah, you ain't pet me, nothing.
Hands behind
Yeah.
your back.
Alright.
You got two
Okay.
strangers over here. These niggas is mad big.
Like, this guy trying to put a leash on
For a
us.
walk?
I don't know him.
For a walk?
He's a nice one.
Like the black guy. He was smart. He like, nigga, I'm not playing.
Ghosty, Bubba. Come on. Come on, Ghosty.
Nope. No.
Alright, we're gonna come back out.
This one off.
Is there another one?
Just take this.
This one? Alright, you got it? Hi, buddy. Hey. Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi.
Where they gonna bring the dog? I'm confused right now. What's going on?
Good boy.
You can put a bowl, the water, the food
Hello.
in the garage, leave
Hi.
the dogs in the garage, lock
Hi.
the garage, lock the doors, have family or friends come over and do the dogs. But then that's weird too, because they pit, so niggas will be scared. Like, if you call me to come over and deal with your dogs, I'm like, call somebody else. That ass. I ain't
I don't
even
trust
cap, no
dogs like
cap.
that either.
Once I know they pits, no, I'm not going in that quick house after the female dog. And take them on a walk, what you mean? So when I open up the door and them niggas is right there, I'm gonna be nervous as fuck.
Hi.
I think Pitts is that scary.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
I
Hi.
think Pitts is that scary.
Is that what?
Is that scary?
Hell yeah.
I had a blue nose.
Think about it. You run in a nigga crib. You trying to rob a nigga crib. You get pit. Yeah, you out of it. A pit, a Rottweiler, you out of it. Nigga. Chihuahua, you like, huh? About to stomp you the fuck out, little nigga. Come here, nigga. I'm about to kick you in the bathroom. Shut the door.
We do not commit animals.
Facts. I'm just saying. I just.
You alright?
You got the gun upstairs.
She got a gun? One night, shots fired! One night, shots fired!
The dog ran upstairs. He might have got hit.
Hold on, but what
Drop the gun if you
happened?
He was like, I don't know. I guess she was walking around upstairs in the crib and he was following her around the whole crib.
She
and
set
just
him
let
up.
off- She let off a shot or two.
Cause they saying she over here, bro.
Yeah, because there's stairs. The stairs that go up. So she
She
probably
at
went
the
in the
stairs.
bedroom. Probably went in the bedroom. She picked up something. He realized it was a gun. He tried to run.
She can't kill herself. Your hands behind your back. You know she can say.
No, she's about to come
How did
flying.
she get that off though?
She's about to come flying.
Like on the staircase though, you gotta be like, and just like, ow, like you can't. How you gonna see what you hitting,
She just shooting. She just like,
bro?
bang.
Oh, he went running. Oh, she shot him. He went running down the stairs. Oh,
She
she
got a
probably
gun?
was upstairs. He stopped. Yeah, he
One
just
night,
dumped
shots
it.
fired!
Right there.
One night, shots fired!
Yeah, he took up.
The
she
dog
took him
probably got
upstairs.
hit. The dog probably got hit running up the
Drop the
stairs
gun
like
if you
that.
get shot again! Drop the gun!
Nigga, her head's behind.
Drop the gun now!
No.
Drop the gun! It's gonna be a female armed with a gun. I got one down. Start me medics. Start me code 0.
She got hit too though. He shot her. He said drop the
Drop
gun
the
before I shoot
gun!
you again.
Drop the gun now!
She's not giving up. No. She know what's about to come after.
11544
Yeah, that's
Aguila
right.
Street,
That's all.
Happy Valley.
He gonna get dogged out when everybody come. At the end, he gonna get dogged out, nigga. You gonna get
Right when you get back to the
death
station.
Death duty. You do giving out tickets All that, nigga, cause what you doing?
I think she got shot in the stomach. Cause she
Yeah.
said my stomach.
She said her stuff.
Yeah, she probably got hit in the abdomen.
What the fuck you did?
Drop the gun!
She up there dying right now. That's what it is.
She shot him, he shot her back. Dumping.
Drop the gun!
Bro, you yelling all that and your man's is shot in her crib, bro. It's your officer. Yeah, you not calling for help or nothing. I ain't hear nothing.
He did in the beginning. Right after, like right
You're
after.
gonna get
the
shot!
shooting,
Drop the gun
he-
now!
Keep yelling that shit.
He said he
Y'all
didn't
need to
EMS
calm
back
down, nigga.
Drop the gun now!
officer
You're gonna get
down,
shot!
Nigga. She shot a cop, nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, that last round was probably to herself.
No, she can't.
You're gonna get shot! Drop the gun now!
She gonna do shoot yourself in the back, turn the gun around, she gonna fuck
She's still
around.
alive.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Oh, he shot the dog!
Yeah, look the gun.
He just shot the dog!
Drop the gun!
Cause the dog peeked his head around the corner and he shot the dog. Look,
You're gonna
the
get
dog peeked
shot!
his
Drop
head
the gun
around corner
now!
and He shot the dog. That's fucked up, bro.
Drop the gun now! You're gonna get shot!
She trying to sick the dog.
Look!
Yeah, the dog did like that.
You're gonna get shot! Drop the gun now!
The dog peeked his head and he just shot twice.
Take it over here.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
It's about to happen. They shot the dog. Both of them. He shot the dog first and he shot.
Drop the gun!
At that point, nigga, you just see something coming. That man's laying
Drop the
down.
gun!
Shot the dog. That's OD though.
Nah, cause I'm telling you, bro.
Did you just hear was that the dog that just fell down the stairs?
Oh no, but Rocky Balboa. She thought the dogs was gonna bite him up, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. And then she thought she was gonna have enough time to run in the room, because ain't no way, bro.
Drop the gun!
That's OD.
Suspect in the house shooting at us. I got one down.
Now you telling them that. Bro, you fired.
That's duty.
Yeah, take your
Nah, he
bag,
probably
bro.
got suspended.
Yeah, definitely.
Cause he might bleed out. That other officer might bleed out. If he didn't get hit in his if he didn't just get hit in his vest, he's bleeding out.
What month this happening?
He just said we need EMS. Shots was fired. Look, his teammate don't even look like he's talking anymore. Oh, he is talking. He's talking.
Oh, this time last year.
Hill, you alright?
No, I need a tourniquet.
Alright.
Yeah, like
Is he
he's
down?
bleeding out for a minute.
Dead ass. You ain't gonna help him
Okay.
do nothing.
You're still scared to go through the door.
One
Like,
night,
he's
give me a
talking-
shield. I need to get to my partner.
Them niggas is fired.
I'm talking about give me a shield. It's already been like 20 minutes. You've been sitting there bleeding
I'm
out.
stuck in between where the suspect went down and my partner. Give me a shield.
RoboCop, nigga, I'm up
I need to
there.
get a tourniquet.
I'm shooting her,
Cover me, she's
nigga.
on the right. Cover me. She gets a shooter. I'm gonna get there before I gotta put a tourniquet on him. Alright?
No,
Go
nigga,
there.
y'all gonna put the tourniquet on him. You going to get this action, you pussy.
On the right, on the right,
You
on
know,
the
listen,
right.
other niggas gotta deal with it now. We don't even know what's going on. We ain't even tell us shit. Come on, bro. You gonna deal with that. Let them help. Bitch, you gotta get work on. Fuck that.
Should be the only one in the house.
Hey, we got one down right here. The stairs are clear up yet.
I might have been hitting the arm too.
Hey, who
Okay.
else is in here?
Niggas said I might be hitting
Where's he at?
Dump that.
He's behind us. Good.
There's a dog in here too.
The pit bull.
We got a pit bull in here.
How many more people are up there, guys?
There should
At
be
least
it.
one.
Should be it.
Yeah,
No, she's it.
She should
Put
be
your
it.
hands. Come on,
She was the only one.
right now.
they
She
both
was the
shot
only one.
the first
Come on,
guy.
hands up.
The one that was being nice too. They shot the one that was being nice at that.
You gotta get out. We're all
They even shoot the black
The
guy.
black one stayed on sale.
Did we get you out? We got one on.
I can't check. Do me an assessment. I'm doing an assessment.
I gotta do a wound check.
I can't.
What's she at?
Down suspect is here. One other in
Check
the
my arm.
house.
Slow it down. Slow it down.
Okay.
Hey, it's a med kit in the back car. Hey, can you guys cover us or get Travis out that door?
Yes, we got you covered. We
get a shield?
We're just gonna carry you out, dude.
You're good. You're okay. You're gonna be fine.
You're good, dude. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Come on. Let's slow it down.
Yeah, they don't
You gotta get here for you to work.
I got you, brother. I got you.
How y'all
Dog didn't
feel?
deserve that.
The dog didn't deserve that?
Nah, that was 3 rounds, bro. The dog
I'm
wasn't
different.
doing anything.
See, me, I'm different. If it's us 3, we dealing with something, alright, we not even cops. Let's just say it's some other shit. Boom, God forbid. She clapped you. She shot you in the leg, God forbid. Nigga, she sent us over there, she got the dogs and shit. At that point, nigga, when them shots is fired, I don't know what them dogs gonna do. So once you come running back, nigga, you could be happy as fuck or playful as fuck. You laying down, nigga. You ain't never getting back up. And then the other officer, fuck him, cause you let your mans get shot. You sat there, froze up, and then you didn't even
he was
go
too
and
scared.
deal
He
with
was dumb
this.
scared to go
You
through
could have
that
let them
doorway.
niggas who responded and go deal with the leg.
I know,
Get him
mad
out the
people was
house.
gonna be like, oh, but they're shooting. He could get shot too. He has on a vest 1.
Not even that. That's your job. That's what y'all train for.
Exactly,
And it's just one
partner
person.
was still peeking by himself. He
Then
was
again,
still
you
peeking.
don't know who in the crib though, cause she sent them to her house.
Yeah, it's cover fire though. He had your cover fire.
That nigga was shooting at nothing when he first let off.
Yeah, he was just dunked in the house.
He said, "What? She got a gun?"
Right.
Do.
He shot the wall like 3-4
Like-
times. Shot up the stairs 3-4 times. That's all. He
Oh,
didn't even
no.
peek. He didn't
I
even
just-
peek his head. He was
They
just
definitely
like,
did a bad job. I understand they didn't have to shoot the dog, but then what are you gonna do in that situation?
That was nice though.
They were scared.
Yeah, but I'm on the ground. I'm
You could
fucked
tell he
up.
was scared. He seen the dog head peek.
My
He was
homie
just
at
like,
the door dumping.
do. That's it. He just seen the dog's head peek. He was like, do.
My whole thing. This is what helping
gun
somebody
down.
comes back and bites you in the ass. Cause what the fuck was that warning about that make her get pulled over from doing whatever she was doing, her regular routine in life, whether it's going to work or coming back.
It says when the police officers bring you all the way home just
Nah, that's
driving
when
your
they
dog
nice.
before you
That's
get
like
locked up.
small towns and shit. When you feel what I'm saying? They
Bring
like-
you all the way to your house though, just to
Yeah.
let you check on your dogs.
Yeah. You got cops that's like normal cops that maybe deal with you multiple times.
Oh,
And then
yeah.
they gotta deal with a warrant to come get you like, all right, let me get dressed. Can I eat my noodles real quick? Smoke my cigarette, call my mom, let her know what's up. Like get bail money.
You got them.
And then you got some
cops.
like it depends on how you is. If you an asshole, it's like, no, fuck you. Make your phone call when I take you downtown. You feel what I'm
get
saying?
one.
You got some.
So
but
you
then
get one of those.
that's why I never played with police, bro. I just always like, y'all go y'all way. I don't want no smoke. Yo, make sure y'all like and subscribe.
No smoke. No
They should have
smoke.
showed her coming out the
Niggas
crib.
don't want it. They should have.
That'll go